The creators at Lavina are doing 2 shockwave experiments today. This first one is going to be a giant match ball made of 70,000 matches and 5,000 sparklers. The process is so satisfying to watch, and they are really good at it. The video was made by professionals. Please do not try it at home. Let's see how this DIY match ball held on by a thin cable will achieve the effect of light. This second one is going to be a giant match ball of 70,000 matches and 6,000 sparklers. They're going to place it on a cart with wheels and see how it goes from there. The Lavina creators are so talented and creative. Each part of the experiment is so relaxing and fun to watch. Let's see the last reaction of this giant ball experiment. Incredible giant ball experiments. We enjoyed them both.